I moved to Colorado because I really wanted to be immersed in nature and the mountains and experience everything that the state has to offer, and studied at University of Colorado in Boulder. Loved it there. Took a lot of science classes, a couple legal classes, and I was just hooked. From that point on, my career kind of progressed in that direction, and it's been there ever since. I went to law school at the University of Denver, and my goal was, from the very beginning, to practice criminal defense. And I did exactly that. And so when I graduated, I did become a public defender in Arapahoe County. And I quickly realized that having hundreds of cases at the same time was not the way that I wanted to practice law. I did not want to have a quantitative approach to my practice, but rather I wanted to be able to have that sort of meaningful relationship with my clients and engage with them on a deeper level to actually understand their backgrounds, the context of everything they were doing, and apply that to their specific case to get them the goals and the outcome that was tailored to exactly what they were looking for. And so I transitioned into private practice, was exposed to family law from there, and quickly learned that I actually really like family law. And it does allow for a lot of opportunities for creativity, for problem solving, and coming up with very unique solutions in a way that criminal defense just really didn't. And so I transitioned completely away from criminal defense and have exclusively practiced family law. And I've been doing that for 7 years now. I think it's really important to hear a client out from the very beginning and find out exactly what their background is, where they're at in their case right now, and what their goals are. Because that's going to be different for every single person. That's not a copy and paste, and we can't treat it like that. And so while the law is the law, each individual client is completely different from the other. And so being able to listen to them and what exactly it is that they're looking for is going to dictate the strategy that we come up with and the steps that we take. And so being able to communicate that from the very beginning and managing expectations along the way is going to really set clients up for the best opportunities for success long-term in their case. As your attorney, I promise that I am going to communicate with you regularly. And so you will always know what's expected of you, what we're working on, and what the next steps towards the progress of your case are. I also promise that I am going to be honest with you. And so you are going to get my assessment as to strengths and weaknesses in your case and any arguments that we're trying to make. And so that will allow you to make an informed decision as to what steps you do want us to pursue and maybe not pursue. At the end of the day, it's your case. You're the boss. You're the decision maker. I am the advocate that is going to fight for exactly what you want to get the best outcome possible in your case.